Okay, we just got back from GameStop. We have the AV cord.
We have it.
We were so excited we actually took it out of the box as soon as we got it. Ready?
Yes! Give it to me. Give it to me, baby.
Alright, just do it.
Alright.
Come on, this is the final moment.
Oh no, there seems
This
to
is
be
the
a
moment
knot.
we've been waiting
There seems to
for.
be a knot in the cord. I got it.
Where's the game? Where's Black
Get
Ops?
the game out of the cabinet.
Black Ops, Black Ops, Black Ops, Black Ops. Where is it? Oh, there's Black Ops.
Ah,
Yes, it's in there.
of course it's in there.
Well, I don't know. It just could have been missing, you know? Here we go.
Hold on.
It's currently 4:08 p.m. I'm so excited right now. I might cry. Babe, you're taking too long. Ready? Can I turn on?
Wait.
Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Hit it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Resetting?
Yes.
Yes!
He was right. The man was right.
Now, let's just see if it turns on. This is the final moment. If I see that PlayStation screen, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. Yes! 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 I can't believe it! It works! It works! It works! It works! It works! Yes! Now we get to play! Oh my god, I can't believe
Our
it!
names are there.
Yeah, our names! Oh my god, and he freaking took the PlayStation apart and unhooked the motherboard. Oh my god, this is the happiest moment of my life. Woo! Until we meet again. Goodbye.